Hi everyone, in this clip let us see how to remove and replace the developing unit. Let's begin. In 87 series, if you want to replace access the developing unit, open the right side door and unscrew it and rotate the plastic assembly towards anti-clockwise. You have a connector towards the left hand side. Just disconnect the connector. A is a primary connector for DV unit. Pull towards you. Make it a small slide and take it off. So now we have completely removed the developing unit. As you know, developing unit consists of developers. It's a magnetic particle. When you handle a developing unit, make sure you don't tilt the unit so that it can be fixed back. Hope you like this clip. Thanks for watching.